In this video, I'll show you how to use date range controls in Looker Studio so you can filter your reports by specific time periods and make your data easier to analyze. Date range controls allow viewers to adjust the time frame of charts, helping them focus on relevant data. To begin, open your report and make sure your data source includes a valid date field, since the control depends on it. Next, click on the chart you want to filter and go to the Properties panel on the right. Under Setup, assign the correct date field to the date range dimension so the chart knows which data to filter. After that, go to the top menu, click Add a Control, and select Date Range Control. Place it on your report where it's easy to access, usually near the top. Once added, test it by selecting different date ranges and watch your charts update automatically. If multiple charts use the same data source and date field, they will respond to the control as well. Subscribe for more simple and practical tech tutorials.